convert to path. So every once in a while, you will get this fun error where you're trying to, this is our nodes, we'll get there, but I do want to show you the path, where you're going to try and adjust a node and it will not give you anything but marching ants. The reason is when you created this shape, you created just that, you created a shape. And in order to make any adjustments to this shape that are not symmetrical or keeping it within the bounds of being a rectangle, we need to create a path. So you're going to convert it to a path. Once you've converted this to a path, then you can go in and pull on your nodes and change your shapes and create a radius in the corners. So it's no longer a shape, it is now a path. And that path is going to give you a lot more leverage and allow you to do a lot more changes, make a lot more changes to it. So with that, the other thing we see is convert to bitmap. Again, that's going to go hand in hand with that imaging. So we'll get into that a little later. Closing paths, closing selected paths with tolerance, auto joining shapes, and optimizing. These all have to do with drawing lines. So if I draw this crazy shape and I do not get it closed automatically, I'm going to have my little pointer out here. He's stuck. I didn't get it closed. It's going to be frustrating. The way to get out of here is to right click with your mouse. That's going to release that line. Well, now let's say I want to engrave this line. So if I want to engrave this, I want to fill it. It needs to be a closed path, and it's not a closed path right now because I did not get these points together. If this happens a bunch, I don't want to go in here a bunch of times and keep trying to, land it on the right spot and make it auto close. So what you can do is select your shape or your path, go to close path, and it should auto close that path for you within a certain tolerance without drawing a line. And now we can tell that because this is a full shape, it's actually filled in, that this is an engravable shape that is a closed path.